In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add smooth moving average indicators in TradingView Pro in a quick and easy way. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. What matters is that you can see your price candles clearly on the screen. Once your chart is ready, go to the top of the screen and look for the indicators button. This is usually near the top toolbar above your chart. Click on indicators to open the indicators menu. Inside this menu, you'll see different categories and tabs. To keep things simple, select the option labeled Technicals. This section focuses on technical analysis tools and is where you'll find most of the commonly used indicators traders rely on every day. Next, move your attention to the search bar inside the indicators window. This search bar is the fastest way to find exactly what you're looking for, especially when there are hundreds of tools available. Click into the search field to activate it. Now, type smooth moving average into the search bar. As you start typing, TradingView will automatically filter the list of indicators below. When you see smooth moving average appear in the results, that's the one we're going to use. Click on it once and TradingView will immediately add the smooth moving average indicator to your chart. After it's added, you'll see a new, smoother line following your price action. To customize it, hover over the indicator name on your chart or in the data box and click on the settings icon. This will open the settings panel for the smooth moving average. Here, you can adjust the length, choose which price source it uses and change the color and style so it stands out clearly against your background. Take a moment to set it up in a way that's easy for you to read at a glance. If at any point you decide you don't want this indicator on your chart, you can remove it just as easily. Open the same small menu next to the smooth moving average name and choose Remove. The indicator will disappear from your chart and you can always add it back later by repeating the same steps. If you're not yet using TradingView Pro and you want access to more tools and features, check out the link in my description to sign up. That way, you can follow along with the exact setup I'm using and get the most out of your charts.